Welcome to our Primavera P6 lecture, and in today's lecture we are gonna talk about bars. That what are bars? So as you can see here, we have different types of bars. The first one here is name, then time scale, and the third one is user start data. The fourth one is user finish date. Then we have filter, and if I go to this side, in the end we have preview. As you can see here, we have preview. So the first name is remaining level of effort. The second is actual level of effort. The third is project baseline bar. Fourth one is primary baseline, secondary baseline, tertiary baseline, actual work and remaining work. Now if I go down, you will be seeing here we have then a critical remaining work, start constraint, finish constraint. Okay, I can copy this form too and add it to this levels too. For example, group by department responsibility, group by status, predecessors, resources cost profile, resources cost spreadsheet, resources allocation profile. So these are all the things that could be kept in mind. Okay, let's, for example, if I want to import something, I can simply click on it, then go to Bandicam. Here I have different folders. Okay, I click on new folder, and that's how I can import the layout. Let's cross this. Okay, let's go down, and here we have milestone current bar, then percent complete bar, summary current bar, float bar, and negative float bar. What is the difference between float bar and negative float bar? The simplest answer would be, in the negative float bar, its direction is towards downward, and in the positive it is like straight. So that's the main difference. Shift up, shift down. Okay, options. If I click on options, you will see here we have collapsed bar, date bar, sight line, progress lines. Okay, let's go to the general. In the general, the first one here is show relationship. Then we have show legend. Third one is limit text label character to 10. We can increase that to, for example, we want to increase it to 15. We can increase it to 15 or 16, or we can decrease it to 5, and so on. Okay, default size for notebook item here is its width is 100 and its height is 50. We can change it to, like if we want to change it to 60, we can simply type 60, or if you want width to be like 110, we can change this to. Then we have collapsed bar, then date bar, data date. So in data date we have different kinds of lines. The first one is red line, then dotted lines, and all these lines. Then we have sight lines. So here we have different sight lines, show major lines, then PS months, and in the end we have progress lines. So in the progress lines, if you want to increase the pages, simply increase it to the value which you want, or you can decrease it too. So that's it. Baseline for use is here we have like project baseline, primary baseline, like this. You can take help from this too, but we will see this later on. So that's it for bars. We will see you and things about and learn further about Primavera P6 in the next video.